Do press the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. So hello guys, I just faced this issue recently. My headlight is not working, and every electricals like indicators, horn are not working in my bike. But the speedometer is working fine, and the gear indicators, so that console is perfectly working. You can see the daylights are not on, and I can't even put on. So you can see here also. So this is happening for me around like 5 times and all. So I just want to fix this. I'll just show you how to fix this issue. So the kill switch is working fine, and even the ignition and the bike is starting. The only problem is the lightning control of the bike. So no indicators and all can't be used with this. I think some issues with this battery or something. I'll just tell you what. So just remove the back seat. I just you can and remove the back seat, and as well as the rider seat also. So by removing these screws, so we can see fuse console here. So for each unit they have some amperes. So you can see. So for this lightning, it's a 15 amps lightning fuse. So just open the box and see. Just locate the correct switching. So you can see the 15 amps fuse. This was I just recently replaced the stock one, but still I faced this issue. So it fused. So you can see the in the left side it's the new one, and the right side is the old one, that fused one. This issue can be happen in mostly in rainy days, and some little bit of some water droplets may present in that fuse box. Also just ensure that no water droplets are there in that one. So I just replaced a new fuse in, and you can see now all the lightnings are okay now. But I just want to know what are the other possibilities this can happen, because I face this issue at regular intervals. So whenever I switch on from the low beam to high beam, so I just need the conclusion for this issue. So I just welcome people to help me out with this issue. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, share, support, and mainly subscribe for more videos.